This is the GeoSports bottle. It's 3 gallons, round glass, and it fits a 30 millimeter cork, which it doesn't come with, or it can fit a 55 millimeter push cap homebrew. So this thing is, you can do so much with it. I actually use it as a home decor piece. I know other people go and have actual fluid put into it, water. We use it for a coin holder, and I have also used it as a large vase in my home office and living room. This is a gorgeous glass jar. This has so many different uses. It's wonderful. It's a gorgeous thick glass, and no matter what I put into it, it's easy to wash and clean. It got the clear glass, and this is scratch resistant. As you can tell here, I went ahead and put the felt pads underneath just so I didn't damage my floors because it's so heavy, and especially when you put coins inside of it, it gets really heavy. But this is a really nice quality glass. I highly recommend this. You can use it for so many things in your home.